Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into Exxon. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, November 24, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 22, 2023, our system has identified Exxon as a sell candidate, earning it a score of -2.05. Now, let's delve into how the stock has performed during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's prediction, with a gain of 0.54%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.27% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected -10.21% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The potential return ranges from -12.90% to -4.01%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a -1.59% change in the stock's value. This could result in a return between -7.31% and 12.82%. In other words, the stock price could range from $96.93 to $117.97 after a year. Our latest update on Exxon highlights a positive trend, green day on Friday for Exxon. On the last trading day, Friday, November 24, 2023, the Exxon stock price increased by 0.538%, rising from $104.01 to $104.57. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.5%, reaching a low of $103.91 and a high of $105.47. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 1.56% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of 9 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $973.97 million. It's important to note that a decline in volume at higher prices could indicate potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $126.54, while the lowest price was $98.02. Currently, the price is 17.36%, equivalent to $21.97, below the 52-week high of $126.54, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Welcome back to our latest market update. Today, we'll be discussing recent analyst ratings for Exxon Mobil Corporation, XOM. Let's start with the most recent report. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Exxon Mobil an overweight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein rated Exxon Mobil as outperform with a hold action. Now let's go back to Friday, October 27, 2023. CFRA upgraded Exxon Mobil to a buy grade. On the same day, Bernstein also gave Exxon Mobil an outperform grade, but this time with an initialize action. Lastly, Wells Fargo rated Exxon Mobil as overweight with a hold action on Friday, October 27, 2023. Analysts have given Exxon stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as also strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's analyze the signals for Exxon stock. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 2.06%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. We also have a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. So, it's recommended to closely monitor the stock. There are also some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development. Although the Exxon stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, the long-term average gives a general sell signal. This indicates a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $106.89. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $104.09. A breakup through the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 12 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 35 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average displays a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Exxon. Exxon currently finds support from accumulated volume at $104.21. This is an important level to watch as it may present a buying opportunity. When support is being tested, it's common to see an upwards reaction in the stock price. When it comes to risk, Exxon tends to have very controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low in this stock. Looking at recent data, the stock had a price range of $1.56 between its daily high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.5% difference. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.81%. Before we explore the potential good trading levels for Exxon, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio measures the current share price of a company in relation to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio may indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.21. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's delve into potential day trading levels for Exxon. If Exxon experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $106.47. If you don't currently hold any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you're already invested in Exxon, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the flip side, Exxon faces its first support level at $104.21. Should this support level hold, it could present a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Exxon has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. bought 50,000 shares of common stock. On November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. bought another 50,000 shares of common stock. On November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. purchased 150,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On September 5, 2023, Tally Darren L. sold 1,500 shares of common stock. On August 1, 2023, Ubben Jeffrey W. acquired 70,962 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 86.755. Overall, insiders have bought 22,068,772 shares and sold 1,651,521 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Exxon currently holds several negative signals which may result in weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, November 27th, we anticipate Exxon to open up with an increase of $0.0783 and start trading at $104.65. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what target you have in mind for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. Lastly, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.